So I'm going to use the Moisturizing Styling Cream on my hair. It's by Main Choice. And I'm also going to use the Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strengthen and Restore Conditioning Design Foam. Set that on. Okay. And I'm using this brush to kind of help style it. And I'm gonna use this Eco Styler gel for my edges. But other than that, that's all I'm using, y'all. So let's get to it. Alright, you guys, so I'm going to go ahead and start sectioning off my hair. I'm going to take an alligator clip and put that front section off to the side, and then I'm going to start working with that back section and sectioning it off. Once I've sectioned off about a 1/4 inch of hair, I'm going to go in with the Main Choice Moisturizing Styling Cream and place that on my hair. And I also spray a little bit of water on my hair as well. And on top of the Moisturizing Styling Cream, I'm adding that design foam. And then once I do that, I'm going to take my brush and smooth it out and then apply the Flexi-rod. The way I apply my Flexi-rods are I always hook the top of the Flexi-rod as close to my scalp as possible and then begin wrapping my hair around the Flexi-rod, leaving a little bit of space in between. And it always reminds me of a candy cane, the stripes on the candy cane. So I always try to space it out kind of like that. So once I get to the bottom of the Flexi-rod, I'm going to kind of just smooth it around using the cream. And then I'm going to hook the bottom of it and repeat the process. As you can see, I'm spraying some water onto my hair and then applying the Moisturizing Styling Cream and then taking the design foam and smoothing it out with my brush. Once I smooth it out with my brush, I'm going to go ahead and grab my Flexi-rod, hook my Flexi-rod at the top, making it kind of like a U shape, and then begin wrapping my hair down the bottom of the Flexi-rod. Once I get to the bottom of the Flexi-rod, I'm going to smooth the ends of my hair around the bottom just to make it as smooth as possible. And then I'm going to hook the bottom of the Flexi-rod across the bottom of the hair just to secure the hair onto the Flexi-rod. I'm going to show you guys how I do this process a couple more times and then we'll move on. I sat up under the dryer for about an hour and then I went to sleep. And then the next morning, I'm going to start unraveling the Flexi-rods. My biggest fear anytime I do this type of style is my hair not being dry, but luckily it was dry, thank God. So yeah, I was super happy once I was unraveling these rods. And the way that I unravel them is that I just start untwisting the hooks a little bit and then letting them kind of roll off and then twisting them around to kind of form that curl. That's the best way I know to explain how to unravel them. It's pretty self-explanatory once you kind of watch me do it. Once we have all of the perm rods out, we got to do a little praise dance, y'all, because all of them curls are dry, and that is not common, and I'm just so happy that all those curls are dry. So now I'm gonna go in with Naturalicious Moisture Lock and Frizz Fighter oil. I love this oil. It smells so good, and the reason why I'm putting oil on my hair is anytime when I'm beginning to separate my curls, it's always good to have oil in your hair because it, you know, keeps your hair from getting so frizzy as you're taking them out. As you can see, like when I first started taking out my curls, I definitely was taking them out or unraveling them the opposite way they were supposed to be unraveled. So don't do what I did when I first started taking them out. But as you can see now, the curls are totally forming the way they're supposed to, and I am so happy with the results. So I'm going to continue to separate my curls. I'm not going to separate them extremely tiny. I don't feel like I need to. They came out really well. There was a couple sections that weren't all the way dry like I thought, but it wasn't noticeable once I started separating them. So I was extremely happy with this style. After separating each curl, I'm going to kind of take my hands and pull my hair out just a little bit to prep it for when I use my pick. And then I'm going to go in with my pick and try to make my hair as voluminous as possible. I have that horrible straight line in the back, so I'm going to pay really close attention to the back of my hair to get rid of that straight line, and also to the sides of my hair because that's where I want my volume to be. Once I'm done picking my hair, I'm going to take a bobby pin because as you can see, the front of my hair is kind of long, so I still want to have a couple pieces in front of my face. So I'm just going to kind of, you know, pin that part back to create that cute little, you know, Shirley Temple curl in the front. I'm going to take some Eco Styler gel and gel the edges of my hair down. And then I'm also going to take another bobby pin and smooth the side of my hair kind of back towards behind my ear. This just makes the look, you know, kind of cute and girl next door, and I don't know, I just really like this kind of look. I kind of got it from De La Soul. It's super cute and it shapes my face very well. So this, anytime I wear a Flexi-rod set or a perm rod set, I usually go for this style. Alright you guys, this is pretty much the finished look. I love it. I love the curl pattern that my hair has whenever I use Flexi-rods. I haven't used them in so long and I do not know why. I'm going to continue to use them because I just love them so much. And the back of my hair looks so good. I'm just so in love with this look. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe, leave a comment below, and I can't wait to see you guys in my next video. See you later.